Okay, this is a Studio 5 first, a week-long series dedicated to one of the biggest family fun trends of the moment, homemade slime. All this week we're getting in on the fun, showing you all sorts of ways to make ooey, gooey slime in your own kitchen. Today's recipe comes from our very own trend tracker, Mindy Dunyon, and you're reaching for shaving cream for this one.
Yes, so the shaving cream is my special ingredient to make this fluffy slime, which I've made a lot of slime with my kids, and I like the fluffy
Your kids are into this too?
They're way into it. Like, I've had many nights driving to several stores looking for these ingredients.
This is weird.
Yeah, so I like this because it's a little bit fluffier. It seems less messy to me.
Yeah.
And it kind of, my kids like it because it makes sounds.
I don't know why, but this like triggers my gag reflex. This is the first time I've picked up this like
You
concoction.
don't love the feel of the slime. So this is our favorite.
Okay.
And I'm gonna just walk us through how to do this. It's pretty simple. So I like this because of the fluff, but also it only requires 3 ingredients, which is super easy.
Smells like shaving cream.
That's the shaving cream.
Okay.
So you need some shaving cream, any kind will do. So I just buy the least expensive that I can find at the store. You need Elmer's glue. And when they say that there's a shortage of it, like, it's true. I've gone to several stores every time I've made slime before I actually found the Elmer's glue. So
that is hysterical.
I know, it's crazy.
This really is a thing.
Yeah, so you're going to have a tough time finding it at the grocery store.
Okay.
So I say sometimes Walgreens will have it, but your hardware store will always have it, and like your craft store, Michael's,
stores are like stocking the big, like,
huge ones,
gallon size of Elmer's glue just to accommodate this slime trend.
So you could buy the huge one and make slime all summer.
Okay.
And then you do need some borax, which is like a cleaning solution or laundry detergent booster, and water.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna take our glue. You can use the clear glue or the white glue.
If you use the clear glue, is it clear?
Well, once you add your shaving cream, it kind of turns white. It's a little clear.
Okay, a little more clear.
Yes, okay, so I say like about a half a bottle of this. You can kind of just guess and go.
I was gonna say, it didn't sound too technical.
Yeah, but about a half a bottle.
And I'm really gonna mix this? It's just like a spoon?
So I'm going to put some shaving cream in.
Okay.
Again, this I guess, but I start with about like 3 big squirts like that. Okay, so now you can stir it.
Yep.
And you want it to really mix up and get kind of smooth. So if you feel like it's really gluey, then you know you need more shaving cream.
So you just play with it?
Yes, and if you feel like it's just straight up shaving cream, then you can add more glue. But I think that's looking pretty good, right?
Okay, now what?
Okay, I'm going to take our water, and we just need a teaspoon of water.
Did you ever watch Nickelodeon as a kid?
Add that. Yeah?
Don't you feel like we're on a Nickelodeon show right now?
Or whatever it was.
I know.
It's not quite that bad though.
It's not green.
Okay, so stir that in. Now the magic comes here. So I've already mixed about 2 tablespoons of the borax into this warm water.
Now, is borax safe?
There's conflicting reports. I've used it every time I've made slime, and we've never had any issues. I really like it. My youngest is 9, and I know she's not going to eat this. I know she's not going to misuse it. So, you know, you can make your own judgment call. But it is used as a cleaning solution in our house, our laundry detergent. So you can make the call. Okay, then you're going to take this, and you just, as you pour this in, you'll kind of start to see, and it will be a little liquidy at first, and we can get rid of that. But you can see that it kind of starts
to
settle.
Is it
we
happening?
might have too much of this in there, of course, because we're on TV.
Right.
But if that happens, you can just go
play it
back.
up.
Yes, but you can see it's actually, it is.
Getting there.
It's starting to clump together.
Okay.
So if you want it to be less, you just go in and you start kind of working with it and letting that water come out.
You can see why the kids would love it. It's tactile, it's fun.
And actually, the more of the borax you put in, the less slimy it's supposed to get.
Okay.
So you can kind of decide how you want it. But this actually is a pretty good consistency to start out with.
Okay.
And then once you put it in your container or however you're going to hold it, it starts releasing that water.
Okay.
And then soon you'll have your magic
fluffy slime. It's our recipe for today. Slime Week continues tomorrow on Studio 5. Thanks so much,
You're
Mindy.
welcome.